and good day to all. I am Ahmad Syamil bin Alias from the Anonymous Man group that are led by Muhammad Fahmi bin Jamil, and the other group members are Muhammad Aiman bin Jamaluddin and Muhammad Khairul Zikri bin Muhammad Zain. So in this video, we are tasked to explain related to the journal that we submit as a proposal. So the journal that we chose is entitled Advanced Internal Combustion Engine Research. So we proceed to the introduction. There are three main objectives to be achieved for the success of this experiment. The first is that they want to replace new energy sources that are renewable and carbonless in nature. So the material mean to replace the gasoline is hydrogen and also divided into ammonia and biogas. So the second objective is to continue the process of building, designing and testing the advanced electrical generator components. This process is to build a linear engine and also move with a two-stroke system that can generate electricity with components that have been designed. And for the last objective is to develop industrial partnership. This is because many industrial companies are involved in the production of product in this experiment. So looking to the next slide. This is a schematic drawing that shows the linear alternator, and the right side is a 4-stroke internal combustion engine, which is indeed very different in terms of how it works. So for the linear generator, it is designed such that electricity is generated directly from the piston oscillating motion. The permanent magnets fixed to the piston are driven back and forward through the alternator's coils, and the combustion occurs alternately at each end of the piston, and a modern two-stroke cycle scavenging process is used. The alternator component controls the piston motion and thus the extent of cylinder gas compression by efficiently managing the piston kinetic energy through each stroke. So compression of the fuel and air mixture is achieved initially, and as a result, a mechanically simple variable compression ratio design is possible with sophisticated electronic control.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Fahmi bin Jamil, and I will be continue the presentation of the internal combustion of the engine. Now, I will talking about the method of analysis. The method of analysis is divided into two parts, which is the graph and equation. The graph has been sketched by referring the data collected during the experiment. The graph has been done by three types of gas has been used for the internal combustion, which is ammonia, biogas and hydrogen. So next we will talking about the equation. The equation has been used is the equation used for find the internal energy which is U. Next, the equation has been used which is for the heat addition and heat rejection during the combustion. The last one is the equation has been used for the thermal efficiency, which is equal to 1 minus Q in over Q out. That's all from me. Then I will pass for my friends to continue. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Aiman bin Jamaluddin, and I will explain about the performance calculation of this project. In this project, three different types of gases were involved, which is biogas, ammonia and hydrogen gas. Otto cycle was selected in order to run this experiment. Each of the experiment has different initial temperature and compression ratio. In this section, we only will focus on the hydrogen gas internal combustion calculation. This experiment was carried out by using single-stroke rapid compression machine. The compression ratio used is 33:1 with the initial temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. First, we must find the internal energy of each state to calculate the efficiency of the cycle based on the data recorded in PV diagram. For state 1, we can directly get the internal energy at state 1 by referring to ideal gas properties of hydrogen table. At state 2, we can use the formula with standard air assumption for isentropic process in order to find the temperature at state 2, then get the internal energy value. To find the temperature at state 3 and 4, we will use the gas law equation and standard air assumption equation respectively. After we have find the internal energy for each state, we can easily find the amount heat addition and heat removal of this Otto cycle. Based on our calculation, we found that the efficiency of this engine cycle is 59%. However, the efficiency will decrease because there has the equivalent ratio of 0.319 in case of considering the piston erosion and other physical damage in the engine. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Muhammad Khairul Zikri bin Muhammad Zim. I will talk about suggestion for the research that can be improved to the system. First, our suggestion is install a gas filter on exhaust to reduce any type of gas emission into environment that produced from the internal combustion engine. Because we already know that any gas produced from internal combustion engine will give the back effect to the environment. Next, our suggestion is try to apply this project using the rotary engine. The rotary engine is more efficiency than the engine by using piston system because the rotary engine has the highest horsepower per displacement even using a small cylinder. We also suggest this engine because we know that the rotary engine needs more fuel to process and it also produces more carbon dioxide after combustion in the engine. Lastly, as a conclusion, the research are very useful to develop because can help the environment to reduce the problem of pollution that has happened now and into the future. Because now our work has been much affected due to our technologies, especially those are not environment friendly. This problem cause various pollution problems are increased the statistic every day like air, water and noise pollution. So that's all from us. Thank you.